friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Friends, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I feel like to share this video with you guys. If you're the type of person you really want to see yourself, you want to know who is who, you want to know who is after you, who has been watching you, you want to know who is your enemy, or if you have a lot of friends, you want to know unfriendly friend, you want to figure out something else, maybe your husband is cheating on you, you just want to figure out something, you want to see clearly, you want to really see what is going on around you, what type of energy is around you, who is who. This is how you can actually help yourself and do it in your at home yourself. If you want to do this type of vision, you do this type of vision around 3 p.m. or 12 p.m. or 9 in the morning, or 9 a.m. or 12 a.m. or 3 p.m. or 3 in the middle of the night, 3 a.m. So you're going to see clearly. Some people like to do it around 3. So it has to be 12, 9, and 12. 12, 9, 3, 9. So I'm going to leave the instructions. So this is how we do it. So if you have a friend, first of all, if you want to read, you really want to read, you have to, this just say angel, this red is just a to get rid of bad energy. I've already worked on it. It will help you to eliminate, it will clear the way, clear the heaven, just clear everything, purify. So here, this one is to, if you want to check who is after you, you just want to know what is going on, things are not working perfectly, we use white candle. Or if you want to see your style chic, or somebody steals something, we use red. So in today, we just want to know what is going on in your atmosphere, what type of energy the atmosphere is sending back to you. You want to send as well back to sender. So we does this. So I'm going to show you first of all. So the first ingredient you're going to need, if you have a loads of friends, you're going to list all your friends' name here. You list them one by one, you list all the names, you're going to write them here one by one if you are really want to know. And let's say I have Tony as a friend. Tony, you just put F, use black pen. Black pen is very good. And you are, let's say Joy, you put F, friend. And let's say Emmanuel, friends. So you list all your friends, and let's say Esther, just list them. Just make sure you list everything. Then you have to connect, you have to believe this is all the friends. Let's presume that this is all our friend. Write all your friends. You really want to know what is going on, and you're going to go ahead, you're going to just I'm going to be cutting this. Go ahead and cut. Just cut. You can use pen, you can use blade, you can. So you're going to fold it. You don't rough it, just fold it. You fold it, you fold everything, fold them step by step. Okay guys, it's going to start folding them. You fold them. So we are going to send our energy. Just make sure you send your energy, because your energy means when you rub your charges, it's everything you'll be thinking, you are worried. So it connects with the paper or whoever you want to see that is after you, that you have to be careful with. So when you do that, then you're going to just let them fall. So the first paper that is hopping, you see that? So you have to really be careful. If it's your friend, you will know straight away. You can see that paper. It's always, I have trouble with that type of person. So we need to be sure we get Emmanuel and Joy at the same time. So in order for you to be sure, you want to do your candle reading. And because I've already worked on my own, so wait after me. So careful. You can see Emmanuel. So the first paper that's open, that is who you have to be very careful. And the rest is upside down, and you can see the way the Emmanuel was hoping. So that is my home issue, which I have issue with the person. So what who else? Who else is after checking? You can say when then I should just be careful. I should be careful. One, two, three. I should be so life is like that. You have to be very careful. That is how when you throw your paper inside the water, the first one that is very first one, if you're really sure, don't play with it. Just make sure that you are worried the name of the people that you know within 2 seconds. If you open, that is the person that you have to really be careful with. You see the rest is upside down, so you have to just be careful. This is all the energy that is around me today. I'm going to be busy. The kids, they are at home, so the husband partner is not here, is working. I'm going to be working tomorrow with two people, so I have to be careful with that. So that's it, guys. If today is your first time of seeing this video, I want you guys to subscribe. If you do not understand how to read it, send me an email or leave the comment below. I will repeat myself. It's very simple, and when you are doing reading, make sure you have a red candle to get rid of bad energy. And that is the person that I'm actually careful with him anyway. So that's all I have for you today. Bye, stay blessed. Thank you.